huge extension, but we got that off. Now moving on to the bottom, as you guys can see, what size was that? Someone told me what size that was. Anyways, I already broke the bolts loose. Now I'm just taking them off. There should be 3, I believe, on each side. There's the 2 sides, so that's it loose. And now we're able to try to bring it down. Now to bring this whole thing down, we're gonna bring both of them down, not just this front part. So at this point in time, I hadn't received the second part. Here it is. As you guys can see, the longer one going across. This part hadn't come in the mail, but I mean, I was already out there working on the hub. might as well finish this up. So I decided to take it off and then just wait around for the part. So as you can see, I'm kind of looking around to see where where it's connected to, like making sure. So I found these, it was just hold it on by 2 bolts, and then down the road there's a hanger holding it. So that has to be taken care of. So anyways, I had to bring my brother out for this, for him to help me out. But before this, I took this off, and as you can see, there's a big mess there. So we're gonna clean this out. I used sandpaper just to clean that out completely after hitting it a couple to get the little chunks out of there. So this right here with the part I'm showing is the hanger, which it wasn't matching up with the new parts that we got, but I'll probably make an update video and show you guys exactly all the parts that I forgot to add onto here. Anyways, this is the new part right here. I showed you guys the old part, and then at this point in time, the back piece hadn't came in yet. Going future in time, this is me a couple hours later with the new piece. And we are installing it now. So we got new gaskets, new for both sides, and then we're installing the same nuts onto the bolts that are, well, the bolts that are on there. I guess I don't know how to explain what those things are, but yeah, we're just putting the nuts on there. It's 3 on each side, and then in the back we got the hanger, which didn't match up, and we have to get a piece for it, and the back, which is just the 2 bolts with the springs. If you guys are doing this, I would recommend you guys get the bolts with the springs. Those work super duper rusted on there, and I feel like I got lucky that I didn't snap them off. So I think if you guys want to be safe, probably order those. Anyways, big reason why we did this job at all was because, well, obviously the noise, and because we had like 5 engine lights, well, 5 lights on the dash, and then the main reason, the engine light, which was this. And we kind of knew because we had the cats, I guess they were clogged or something, and we had like emptied out, and obviously that gave us an engine code. But because this Subaru is kind of new, I guess it decided to throw like 5 different lights on the dash. So anyways, we put the sensors back. We didn't replace those. We just cleaned them out a little bit, put the new cats on there, and reset the light. Took it off for spin. It's, as of now, a couple days later, it's still good. So all the lights went away. The car's working fine now. We just gotta do a little bit of little fixes here and there. But I'll show you guys. This is a car that's probably going to be on the channel a couple times. But yeah, that's pretty much it. There's the cats installed, and I'll see you guys in the next part for this.